Hi. Unfortunately, the lavalier microphone that I usually wear for these things decided to only record static that day, so I could only use the audio recorded by my regular camera, which caught a lot of wind noise. So I'm really sorry about the audio quality. I tried to do with it what I could, and I've also added subtitles to make sure that you get everything that I'm saying. I apologise, but hope you enjoy nonetheless.
Hi, my name is Stuart. Welcome to Flying Wiener and another drone video, finally after all this time. We are in the south of Vienna today. We're in Gumpoldskirchen, and behind me you find an old factory. Worked with lead and iron here, starting from 1851. Unfortunately, due to loss of funding, etc., the factory closed down in 1976 actually, and since then it has become a very derelict building, as you can undoubtedly see behind me. We're going to take a closer look at the whole factory, of course. Unfortunately, it used to be a much larger area. Bits and parts of it have been sold. I'm not quite sure how much we will be able to see. I'll start the door and let's check it out. I hope you enjoy. As we saw, or at least as I saw, there was a lot less to see than I expected. You must imagine this factory used to have a huge area, bits and parts of it have been moved, have been sold. As you can see, transport businesses have moved into part of it. You can see the trucks there. So we weren't able to see that much, and I'll be honest, I am a bit of a scaredy cat. I'm not going to walk in there. I don't know what we would find, and there may be animals or people there that I do not want to disturb. I hope you'll forgive me. I'm not quite that adventurous. I'm trying to zoom in places or walking back to the car. Maybe we'll film a bit there, just walking past the building and the windows. That's all I'm going to do. Still, while it is sad that buildings like this have been just left to rot, as it were, I found a very extensive work written on this building with the proposals to renovate it. I'm not sure if it will eventually happen, so while it is obviously very sad to lose the building, at the same time, just from a filming and artistic point of view, it is kind of cool to see what people have made out of it. And you've got the trucks in here that are graffitied and all that. Part of me does find that really interesting to capture because it makes every single frame very exciting. I hope you enjoyed. I also enjoyed these sort of industrial buildings, old ones, decrepit ones. I will try and find more, so it won't just be castles and the like. Maybe some that I can even explore that look a bit safer. I mean, I also don't know if the baby bits and pieces of this will just fall on top of me. We'll see. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video, share it around, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one on Flying Wiener. Take care. Bye.